Have you ever thought about what makes the wealthy different from everyone else? It's not only about making more money, it's about having the right assets that diligently help to increase their wealth. Wealthy individuals focus on smart investments rather than leaving things to chance. They choose assets that not only bring in income, but also grow in value and offer stability, even when times are a bit unpredictable. In today's video, we're exploring 8 amazing assets that the wealthy rely on. The very same ones that keep them ahead no matter what challenges come their way. From tangible investments like real estate and raw materials to modern, scalable digital products, these assets are not only accessible, but can truly make a difference for anyone eager to take charge of their financial future. If you're beginning your journey or aiming to grow your portfolio, these insights will help you transform your resources into wealth-building tools. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear path to owning the assets that can truly change your financial life. Hey there! If you're excited to stop trading time for money and start building wealth like the rich, stay with us. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Your journey to financial freedom begins right here, right now. Let's jump right in. Number 1, real estate, the building blocks of wealth. Real estate is a fantastic and dependable way to build your wealth. Investing in properties offers you 2 great benefits: steady cash flow and the potential for property appreciation. Rental income offers a reliable source of passive earnings, and as property values go up, your net worth grows over time. Renting out your space on platforms like Airbnb can bring in great returns, particularly in popular locations. There are different kinds of real estate investments: residential properties, commercial spaces, and raw land. Residential properties bring in income from tenants, while commercial properties often provide higher rents from businesses. Land, even if it's not developed yet, tends to increase in value over time and can be a great option for future development or resale. 90% of all millionaires become so through owning real estate, Andrew Carnegie famously stated, highlighting its potential as a wealth-building asset. But it's important to remember that not every piece of real estate is considered an asset. Your home can be seen as a liability unless it brings in some income. It needs some care, taxes, and maintenance expenses without bringing in any cash for you. Successful real estate investing involves thoughtful research and well-timed strategies. Location is super important. Properties in up-and-coming neighborhoods or near business centers tend to appreciate more. Also, using technology and property management tools can help make the investment process easier and more hands-off. Real estate is a key player in achieving financial independence, providing both stability and long-term returns. Whether you're purchasing your first rental property or looking to diversify your portfolio, it's a classic journey toward building wealth. Number 2, stocks, a share in growth. Stocks are a great way to grow your wealth, as they give you a piece of successful companies to call your own. By investing in stocks, you can enjoy capital appreciation as the value of shares grows over time, along with dividends, which are regular payouts from a company's profits. For example, having shares in a company like Microsoft or Coca-Cola lets you enjoy its success without being directly involved in how it runs. The magic of stocks comes from their ability to grow over time through compounding. When you reinvest dividends and let your investments grow, even little amounts can blossom into substantial wealth. For instance, if you invest $10,000 in a well-diversified index fund with an 8% annual return, it could grow to more than $46,000 in 20 years. Warren Buffett wisely noted, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." If you're just starting out, index funds such as the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF are a great option. These funds bring together investments from many companies, which helps to lower risk and provide more consistent returns. Active investors often enjoy picking individual stocks in industries they know well, like technology, healthcare, or renewable energy. Stocks can be really powerful, but they do need a bit of patience and discipline. Markets can change, and it's key to stay calm and not let emotions drive your reactions to short-term shifts. Spreading your investments across different sectors and companies is a great way to lower risk. Investing in stocks is something that almost anyone can do these days, and with a thoughtful long-term strategy, they can really help build a strong financial future. Number 3, cash reserves, a chance whenever you need it. Having cash reserves is really important for keeping things stable and flexible financially. Having liquid cash available lets you jump on opportunities quickly, like investing in undervalued assets or supporting an exciting business venture. Having cash on hand can be a great way to feel secure during emergencies or tough times, helping you to handle any unexpected expenses that might come your way. Although cash provides a sense of security, keeping it in traditional savings accounts usually leads to low returns because of inflation. Options such as high-yield savings accounts, money market funds, or short-term treasury bills can offer better returns while keeping your funds accessible. Peer-to-peer lending is a fun option for generating higher interest, but it does come with a bit more risk. Cash combined with courage in a time of crisis is priceless, Warren Buffett pointed out, highlighting how valuable liquidity can be when opportunities come knocking. Many wealthy individuals like to set aside 10–20% of their net worth in cash reserves. This helps them stay flexible and take advantage of great opportunities when they arise. It's important for everyone to make building an emergency fund that covers 3–6 months of expenses a priority. Once this is set up, think about spreading your cash into options that offer higher returns. For businesses, having cash reserves helps keep things running smoothly, even when revenue varies. And for individuals, it brings peace of mind and the chance to grab opportunities as they come along. While cash may not lead to huge growth, it's super important for preserving and helping with wealth-building strategies. Number 4, patents. Safeguard and benefit from your creative ideas. Patents are a special asset that turns creative ideas into successful revenue opportunities. A patent gives you special rights to your invention, keeping it safe from unauthorized use and allowing you to earn from your creative ideas. For instance, the creators of household items such as the Slinky and the Koosh Ball transformed simple concepts into thriving multi-million-dollar businesses. The value of a patent comes from its potential to earn income through licensing or royalties. Companies happily pay for the opportunity to use your invention, which can lead to steady, long-term earnings. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower, said Steve Jobs, emphasizing how crucial it is to protect and make the most of our creativity. Filing a patent means putting together all the details about how your invention works and what makes it special, and it can be a bit tricky at times. Still, the investment can be quite rewarding, particularly if your invention meets a notable market demand. Once secured, a patent can be a valuable asset for negotiations, partnerships, or even a sale. In today's competitive environment, patents can really boost the market value of your business. Investors and buyers often find themselves drawn to companies that have unique innovations, as these can provide a wonderful competitive advantage. Whether you're an inventor or a business owner, investing in patents can transform your creative breakthroughs into lasting financial success. Number 5, digital products, endless growth potential. Digital products like ebooks, online courses, apps, and software are some of the most scalable assets in today's economy. Digital products are unique because they can be reproduced and shared endlessly without much extra expense, which makes them quite profitable after they're made. For example, an author who creates an ebook can sell thousands of copies without needing to print anything, while a developer who builds an app can earn money through downloads, subscriptions, or in-app ads. Finding success with digital products is all about addressing a particular problem or fulfilling a need. A thoughtfully designed course on coding or an app that boosts productivity can attract a worldwide audience. Investing in yourself is the best decision you can make. Platforms such as Amazon Kindle, Udemy, and the App Store really simplify the process of connecting with a broad audience. After a product goes live, we turn our attention to marketing and scaling it up. A successful campaign can really help your product go from being less known to being widely embraced, turning it into a great source of passive income. Digital products shine when they offer great quality and usefulness. Whether it's a course, a song, or an app, providing value to your audience is key to achieving lasting success. This asset is a great option for anyone wanting to transform their skills or creativity into lasting wealth, as it has minimal barriers to entry. Number 6, people creating teams for success. People are among the most valuable assets in any organization. A talented, enthusiastic, and creative team can turn ideas into reality and elevate businesses to amazing new levels. Employees bring their creativity, expertise, and problem-solving skills to the table, forming the backbone of every successful enterprise. Finding the right people is only the first step. It's really important to create a space where employees feel valued and empowered. Putting resources into training, mentorship, and recognition fosters loyalty and boosts productivity. If you take care of your employees, they will take care of your business, said Richard Branson, highlighting how essential it is to nurture talent. In today's competitive landscape, companies often acquire startups to bring their teams together, a practice known as acqui-hiring. This shows just how important people are in fostering innovation and reaching our goals. Tesla's success is largely thanks to the talented engineers and designers who helped turn Elon Musk's vision into reality. For individuals, being an invaluable part of your organization can open doors to career advancement and financial benefits. Building unique skills, being proactive, and consistently achieving results makes you a valuable member of any team. In the end, whether you're putting together a team or playing a part in one, people truly are a company's most valuable asset. Their ability to innovate, adapt, and foster growth is truly remarkable, making them an essential part of any organization's success. Number 7, brand and goodwill, intangible. Yet impactful, a strong brand and goodwill are valuable assets that can really boost a business beyond just its physical or financial resources. A brand shows what a company is all about, and goodwill captures the trust and emotional bond that customers feel towards it. By working together, they create loyalty, draw in new customers, and pave the way for lasting success. Creating a brand is all about keeping your messaging, design, and values consistent. Brands such as Nike and Apple really stand out, representing quality and innovation, and they have earned a lot of trust and loyalty from their customers. Disney, famous for its family-friendly entertainment, uses its beloved brand to grow in movies, theme parks, and merchandise. Your brand is what other people say about you when you're not in the room, says Jeff Bezos, highlighting how important reputation can be. Goodwill is built through outstanding customer experiences, ethical practices, and positive contributions to the community. Companies that focus on social responsibility tend to gain more customer loyalty and support. The connection between brand and goodwill helps companies to set higher prices and navigate economic challenges more easily. A simple t-shirt with a well-known logo like Adidas becomes much more valuable because of the brand's impact. For individuals or businesses, building a strong brand and fostering goodwill is key to shining in today's busy market. These intangible assets really help boost growth and provide stability, making them super important in any wealth-building plan. Number 8, raw materials and commodities, real wealth. Raw materials and commodities are essential assets that help bring stability and variety to an investment portfolio. These valuable resources like gold, oil, and agricultural products are important for global economies and have inherent worth. They frequently act as a safeguard against inflation, helping to maintain wealth during periods of economic uncertainty. Gold has been a reliable store of value for centuries, with prices consistently increasing over time. Just like that, agricultural commodities such as wheat and corn play a vital role in feeding the world, which keeps the demand going strong. Buy land without delay. Buy land and wait, said Will Rogers, emphasizing the lasting charm of limited resources. In addition to traditional commodities, alternative assets like art, luxury watches, and vintage cars are becoming increasingly popular with the wealthy. These collectibles can increase in value more quickly than stocks or bonds, offering both financial benefits and visual pleasure. To succeed with commodities, it's really important to understand market trends. Prices can be affected by things like geopolitical events, supply chain disruptions, and advancements in technology. Strategic investors take advantage of market lulls by buying low and then selling high when demand picks up, which helps them achieve great returns. Raw materials and commodities are great for protecting wealth and offer real connections to financial security. Investing in farmland, gold, or collectibles can be such great choices for building and preserving wealth over time.